Okay, this is a digital grand hardness tester. So it will come together with two different size of contact base. How it operates, you just put on it. Okay, when you have different size of tablet or the grain that you want to test. So I put this. Okay, now I have to press set to select the peak point. Okay, this is a peak. So it will show continuous peak and it will stop at the peak value. So this is peak function. Okay, I press 0. Okay, now I change to the other function, which is called peak ST. So the difference between peak and peak ST is about when I reach the peak during my testing, I release again and I pull up again. So you will see the value will not be going up even though I just pull up and up. It will be higher, but it will stop. So this is the difference. If they say I change it to peak, so you will see. After I release, right, it will stop at a peak. If I go up again, it will keep moving because the peak is different. This is the difference between peak and peak ST. Okay, thank you.